Heat pumps versus gas boilers. Kitting out a new home or thinking about upgrading your heating system? Let's unpack how gas boilers and air source heat pumps compare. We'll look at costs, efficiency, carbon emissions, and installation, so you can decide which one's the best fit for your home. It's no surprise that gas boilers are still the most common form of home heating, used by around 74% of households in England and Wales. But as people are thinking more about their environmental impact, heat pumps are growing in popularity, with the government's target to install 600,000 of them every year by 2028. They're set to become even more common. First up, let's compare the upfront costs. A gas boiler with thermostatic radiator valves usually costs around £3,700. An air source heat pump is much more expensive at £11,000. But thanks to the boiler upgrade scheme, you could get a £7,500 government grant to help pay for it. Heat pumps are generally cheaper to run over time too. So, let's talk running costs. Air source heat pumps can produce up to 4 times more heat for every unit of energy they use, making them much more efficient than traditional boilers. However, exactly how much you could save depends on what kind of boiler you're replacing. If you're switching from an older G-rated gas boiler, you could save around £260 a year on your energy bills. But compared to a brand new A-rated boiler, the difference will be a lot smaller. Next up, which one's better for the planet? When it comes to CO2 emissions, air source heat pumps produce far less than gas boilers. Switching from a G-rated gas boiler could reduce your carbon footprint by around 2,900 kilograms a year. And compared to an A-rated boiler, a heat pump still saves around 1,900 kilograms of CO2 a year. So, if you're environmentally conscious, there's a clear winner here. Lastly, what does installation and home suitability look like? Gas boilers suit almost any type of property, including flats. They're quick and straightforward to install, and there are plenty of qualified engineers available. Heat pumps, on the other hand, need a bit of outdoor space for the main unit. They work best in well-insulated homes, and sometimes you might need to upgrade your radiators or underfloor heating to get the most out of them. Although heat pumps are still relatively new, the number of qualified installers is growing quickly. And with E.ON Next, professional installation is included in the price, so you've got one less thing to worry about. Whether you're focused on cost, carbon or convenience, deciding between a gas boiler and an air source heat pump really depends on your home and lifestyle. To see which one's right for your home, head to eonnext.com/save.